What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. The 25th of July. We're taking a look at Aerodrome Finance this morning. Got hit hard yesterday in the markets across the board, cryptocurrencies as well as stocks. So we're going to take a look and share a couple thoughts here. What's going on? Quick recap from a few days back. Welcome to the channel, guys. All the new subs. Appreciate you guys. Hope you're enjoying and staying safe out there in these markets. So quick recap here from a few days back. We have a looks like our initial move just about found resistance at our 106.42 level. That came in on the 18th of July. I had mentioned that we were forming this pennant pattern and we're looking for a breakout from the apex, which actually took place on the 22nd of July. The breakout to the downside is what took place. Looks like we closed the day that day on the 22nd of July down 12.2%. And we've had continuation lower. So we initially found support for 2 days, the 22nd and the 23rd, at the 85.20, 84.760 level. That's these lines right here, guys. Got a big break yesterday lower, closed up about mid-range, a little higher. And then continuation to the downside here today, down 6.48%, with Bitcoin down 1.5%. So we clearly have a pretty good retrace here. Question is, how much further do we go? Well, on my charts here, and the lines that I would be watching would be, you could see, I don't think we'll go all the way down to 61 2 level. Right in here, it's a possibility there could be some support here from the 6th and 7th of July, although that level is slightly lower. Next, below the markets would be like 72.3 and 71.006. That's this yellow and this blue line here. There's a chance that that happens. We'll really see if Bitcoin really starts to sell off aggressively, more than it has in the past day or two, which isn't that bad. Yes, then we could really see a quite the move lower here for Aerodrome. So if we take our ruler tool, we're currently trading at 76.4 down to the 72 level, about a 5% move, and then down to let's see, 71. You're about a 6 to 7% move. So we'll see if that takes place. The crypto fear and greed index over in the stock market was actually quite bearish pretty quickly. Didn't check the cryptocurrency one, but we'll see. So that's what I'm looking for here. The selling might just be getting started, at least over in the stock market. We're seeing some pretty aggressive selling take place. The NASDAQ going short, the S&P's going short, the Russell holding up very well, the Dow starting to crack but still holding up okay. So a couple levels just to keep your eye on here. Again, we don't know how far the selling will take place. The 7559 is basically where the price bottomed out today. Let's see here, 72.326 and then 71.006. What you can do as well, if you're trying to find somewhere to accumulate, is you could take the fibs up here, and the fibs will show you. I just took the latest swing low to swing high. The 382 is just about right above my, so let's see here, 72 level. Then you have a fib down here at 65. You have the 618 right here at 58. So that's something you guys can take a look at as well if you're interested in seeing where price is most likely to find support if it gets near there. Over to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin finding some support today. Looks like the 63,788, 64,123. We're not quite above the 64,375 just yet. Well, we're right back in this area here where we found support on the 16th, 17th, 18th, and 19th of July. So we'll see how much further this goes, or maybe find support right here and starts to pop. Bitcoin has changed its trend back to the upside. Whether it holds or not, we should know pretty soon. But pullbacks are just expected along the way, so we'll see. Basically whatever this thing does is what Aerodrome's going to do. So if this thing continues to get weak and sell off, then Aerodrome will follow suit. If we start to get a bounce here, which we are seeing a little bounce today off of the 63,788 support, and then maybe we get a bounce throughout the day starting tomorrow, maybe a higher low, then we'll see Aerodrome follow suit as well and probably head higher. But for right now, we just watch our levels, which are again 71,006, 72,3, and then a little higher to the price would be 75 right in here. But unfortunately, we didn't get a continuation here out of this breakout. We got to break out to the downside, and we're just continuing lower here. Where it bottoms, again, we don't know. The only thing I know is I watch my price levels for an area of support. And then you can throw the fibs on there as well, like I said. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see what happens here. Yeah, that's just about it. Again, Bitcoin is in a new uptrend. Whether it holds or not, we should know pretty soon. But for now, higher highs and higher lows with some very nice targets above the market. 80s, 90s, and then up into the lower six figures, at some point. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're a 980 subscriber, go ahead and join us here on the channel. Appreciate it. Let's see what happens here. Take care.